Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. So today is going to be a little bit of a tag-along day, vlog style. I have a few things to do. Actually, one of my homies, Shay, he's coming over. I'm going to help him out with some video work. Actually, fun fact, Shay was my very first friend in London. I met him the week I was falling in love with Sylvia when I went to go visit her here in London. And yeah, and then I moved out here 8-10 months later. He's actually a photographer as well. He doesn't do too much video, but I'm actually going to try to help him out with that process, kind of teach him filmmaking 101 and editing as well. Alright, so the first thing I have to do is take my monitor down here because our office is a little small and having two grown ass men up there would be a little awkward. So that's what I have to do. Let me show you the office. So up here, I have to bring it down here. This is my little office. Little light, got my monitor, got Jeff Goldblum. A little fun fact, he actually taught a couple of my acting classes back in LA. I got a bunch of Spanish stickers, El Monitor, La Oficina, El Cajón, Regla, Cuaderno, Carpeta. So all over our apartment I have Spanish vocabulary stickers everywhere. Actually, they actually help. I would say one of the best things about our new apartment is the huge ceilings. It kind of just gives you open space to kind of think, you know? Alright, so the next order of business is I'm going to make us some lunch. Yes, helps us save some money, and you know, it's just nice to be nice, motherfuckers. I'm gonna make a Spanish omelet or a tortilla. Let me show you guys. This is all you need. Potatoes, onions, some olive oil. I'm gonna need some more olive oil than that. And eggs. And that's it. Very simple ingredients and very easy to fuck up. You guys didn't know this was gonna be a cooking channel, did you? Alright, so here's a little fun fact. So obviously Sylvia taught me how to make this, right? She won't admit this, but I can make the damn thing better than her now. I'm telling you, she will never admit it, but I can make a tortilla. A Spanish omelet better than a Spanish person. America, baby. Alright, basically I'm just cutting an onion in half here. I only use a half an onion, and I cut them into long strands. I don't like them in small little chopped up squares. I think they just taste better, longer. And then I have to pretty much peel 3 medium-sized potatoes. But this is where me and Sylvia's recipe kind of differ. She likes big chunky potatoes. I like small little thin ones because they cook easier. I'm trying so hard right now not to get all fancy and go faster than I usually go, because my dumbass would end up cutting a finger off just for f***ing YouTube. Nope! Not today, YouTube! Alright, the potatoes are in there. Kind of let the onions caramelize. How the do you say that word? Caramelize. Today, Junior? Alright, so I'm prepping the eggs right now. You're usually supposed to use 6. I use about 7 just because I like it a little thick. Add some salt, whip the eggs.
I need to whip up these plants quickly.
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh! Hola!
Ain't that right, baby? That I can cook a better Spanish omelet than you.
No, that is not right.
By the way, I'm making this for me and Shay. Uh-oh. Because he's never had one, so me and him are gonna eat it. Uh-oh. What?
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, what? It's for me and him.
Okay.
Let's run this back, shall we, and get her true inner monologue. By the way, I'm making this for me and Shay. What? Are you fucking kidding? Oh, hell no. This mother... I'm gonna kill him. Nope, he's recording.
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, what? It's for me and him.
Okay.
Good luck fucking Shay. Alright, so right now I'm getting my pan ready. We just got a brand new non-stick pan for the tortilla. Oh, I love it. By the way, you know you're getting old when you get a hard-on for new non-stick pans. It's pretty sad. Growing up is pretty sad in general. Peter Pan envy. Who doesn't have that? Onions are caramelizing. Caramelizing, there it goes, caramelizing.
Did you?
Look how cute my wife looks. Oh, look at her. Look how cute she is. Eres tan mona.
Gracias. Did you try this squash?
No. Oh, we're gonna have the tortilla with olive bread too. Yeah, she's pissed.
Well done.
She's so jealous.
I'm not jealous, I'm just saying,
te pongas
okay.
celosa.
No estoy celosa, mi amor.
So I've seen on YouTube some Spanish people, they actually let this settle for like 20 minutes or put it in the fridge. No one ain't got time for that shit. I'm cooking this now. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna have to switch up my technique on this omelet a little bit because me and Sylvia, we typically like it a little wet, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know how Shay would like it, so I'm gonna have to cook
raw.
this.
A little bit raw, baby. Everybody likes
No,
it. No,
baby,
raw.
I'm gonna cook it a little on the drier side.
Oh no.
So
That is not
can
a
enjoy
Spanish
it.
omelette, baby. That is.
Alright, well I'm gonna leave it a little wet then. We'll see.
If you wanna show him a proper Spanish one.
This is the famous Spanish flip. There you go. Technique, baby. Technique, baby. Here it goes. Ooh. Uh-oh, a little burnt. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where are you going? It's a little bit brown.
Yeah, I know. It's because I'm trying to f***ing make a YouTube video and
Oh
burn
yeah,
a
baby.
goddamn tortilla over
Don't
here.
blame it.
Yes.
Don't blame it.
You're taking too long to come record me. So right now I have to give this little brownie a little bit of shape.
Sad.
Sylvia's talking a lot of shit right now because I usually make them a lot better and now I'm on camera.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it.
Look how brown this is. Look how.
It's not bad on camera.
Not on camera, but
On camera, it
on
actually
real
looks
life
pretty
it's
good.
f***ing burnt.
Alright guys, this is a little life lesson you can get from tortilla making. You just have to block out all the negativity, you know? And just like a tortilla, you can flip that negative into a positive and it's all good on the other side. You see that? Nice and pretty. Yo, what up?
Hola, hola.
There he goes.
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
What up?
That's all my Spanish. I don't know. How you doing? Nice to see you. Long time.
Alright, don't hug her too long now. Wedding photo that you took.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah.
There you
I
go.
seen that video. I was like, yeah.
Yeah. This man took that.
I get by.
No, are you hungry?
I can eat.
Yeah.
I just
yeah.
come from training. So
Good. So if you want to make
yeah,
yourself
that
something.
wouldn't be enjoyable to be fair.
No.
I wouldn't imagine.
No.
The grand finale.
Dance.
Ooh,
Oh, wow.
sexy. There you go, homie.
Thank you, player. Dropping the crisp already.
Oh,
See the
give me
excitement.
something to drink.
So I haven't seen Shay in quite some time. So we actually had to schedule this day just to be productive and honestly just to kind of hang out. And sometimes you kind of just have to do that with friends. Life gets busy, but hey, let's make it happen. hang out, do some work, and bullshit. All right, so what I just got done explaining to Shay here, and it might help some of you guys at home, is especially in the very beginning of your kind of videography, filmmaking, directing, whatever it is, try to make things as simple as possible for you guys. Don't try to make things so technical and so crazy. So what I suggested to him is just keep the camera steady. Either lock it off on a tripod or just keep it very simple and just let whatever move into frame. Because a well-composed shot is way better than some kind of movie, shaky, you trying to do something a little extra with it. Like, no, just a really good establishing shot, a really good locked off B-roll shot, all things like that. Because when you're editing this, it makes it so much easier to edit the footage together. And he said, which is a very good thing to consider, he was like, I'm actually doing this video for someone else. I was like, oh, even better, because you're setting up very clean shots for another editor to do. And if you give them footage where they can't get a really good establishing shot or any kind of easy shots to transition into the next one, they're gonna hate you and they're not gonna wanna work with you ever again. So try to keep things very simple at first. You can, if you hit minus or something, it shrinks it down so you can see the entire time.
Yeah.
So discriminate. Do we have some young kids in there? Old? All right, so right now what we did was I set up a fake kind of interview for him so we can kind of use this as kind of the ground footage, the basic footage. We can start building stuff on top of that and use his other fighting footage just so he can kind of get used to interviewing people and see what angles kind of work and kind of just lift off the documentary style or interview style format. So in my personal opinion, I think directing is more problem solving than anything else. But editing is like matchmaking or trying to figure out a puzzle, because you have about 100 pieces and you have to figure out how the hell am I gonna put this together. But once you kind of get it all figured out, it starts to become a little fun. Let me have you just chill it. This is gonna sound so stupid, but I forget instant film is film. And it's so fun to shoot, but I never pick up the camera. So I'm trying to make it a habit of whenever one of my friends or anybody comes over, I take a portrait of them on this. Ready? 1, 2. You ain't gonna smile or nothing? You're gonna look too hardcore, bro. Like, you ain't in prison here in Brixton, baby. You visiting the home.
In the air, in the ends.
And that's the beauty of this medium, is something tangible. Because who knows, this dude can die tomorrow. Nah, I shouldn't say that. That's messed up. Alright, the kids are off to bed. Now it's time for the grown-ups to go out and play and have some dinner. Brixton is easily one of our favorite places in all of London. Love this place. By the way, I don't know if you know this, but Sylvia kind of has a thing for food. Sylvia usually doesn't share, so...
This is super cute. This is so nice.
So, purple and green. What did you get?
Pad Thai, baby. Classic Pad Thai.
She's in her happy place now. So, what I'm gonna do is try to test the broth. It's a little kick. Ooh, the beef is good. It's like tender.
It is spicy.
The spice hits you about right here to here. You want to try it? She can't eat spice where
I would try it.
Alright guys, we are home sweet home. Thank you for tuning in and tagging along. How did you like the food?
I really like it. I just missed the steak. I really wanted a steak. But
got pork?
Yeah, the skewers were super nice. But because of the COVID, the menu has been reduced. So everybody who goes to Rosa's, just to let you know, guys, things that you might want.
Okay. Tune in to Sylvia's food channel on YouTube right after this. Alright, thank you guys. So as always,
Be cool. Be nice. Be positive.
be sexy, then
Be
be
you.
positive. Yeah.
Mi amor,
You're getting the order wrong, baby.
the order doesn't alter the product.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.